Kolding. The BBC Kolding was built in 2026 in a Chinese shipyard. She measures 489 feet in length, 76 feet in width, and 35 feet in depth. She's powered by an 8,400 horsepower, 7-cylinder max diesel engine, which gives her a top speed of 16 knots or about 18 miles per hour. She's also equipped with bow thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The BBC Kolding has 2 hatches on her deck, which open into 2 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 13,400 tons. Above her deck are 2 cranes capable of carrying 250 tons each, which allow her to unload or load project cargo like wind turbine parts, mining project equipment, and other cargoes. She's owned and operated by BBC Chartering of Germany, and she is registered in Antigua and Barbuda. Registered country isn't necessarily where the ship or crew are from, but whose laws the ship and crew follow. BBC Kolding is named after the Danish seaport city where BBC Chartering maintains an office. They are also here on their maiden voyage, so this is their first time to the Great Lakes, first time to Duluth. They were dropping off some project cargo back at the port terminal, so if you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a big old wave and wish them a safe voyage on their way